So this is our stump grinder, which is a bit of an unusual thing to have, but we hired one of these because Reese had about 50 pine trees over in back of his paddock there, 50 pine tree stumps, and we hired one for half a day, and basically we only got three stumps in the half a day. So we thought, wow, the amount of cost to do that, we thought we'd buy one. So this cost us, I think, about $1,600 at the time, about 8 or 9 years ago. But anyway, we got this and found that it only took us about 5 minutes to take a stump out with this, because clearly the one we hired didn't have any good teeth in it. So in the end, it didn't take us anywhere as long, and I had about 28 stumps down our driveway to take out as well. So the most important thing, if you do tend to hire one of these, is to make sure it has good teeth on it. So they're just carbide bit teeth, and as you can see, that they're bent one way then the next to take a big slice out of the tree as it's spinning around. So today we're going to take the stump out of the tree that we cut down recently in one of our other videos. And there we go, it's all gone. It's a relatively easy job with the machine.